I'm gonna do YouTube. Right back with another one. Told you I'm right back with them. Coming back to back. God dang, I just dropped some. Oh, I can't see. Oh, dang, it's my selfie. My selfie. But anyways, we here. How y'all been? I told you I'm coming back quicker than quick. Quick.
Private school make me wanna move as well across town, and I hate the traffic. Getting money.
Hey, Star, cut it out, man. You giving too much. You're giving too much game. Yeah, man. About to head to Toxic Karaoke, but we taking the streetway, man. My homie never on time anyways. God dang, I ain't gonna lie, this stuff uncomfortable this close to my... This thing just rubbing against my neck. All neck. And I just bought a drink, and I ain't thinking about how I'm gonna drink this drink while recording. I got a root beer too, so don't talk about me, man. I'm gonna drink it in there. Walk in with my shit. I wish a nigga would say something. Nigga, I got that fire, and I up, and I'm just playing. I mean, like firecracker war. Yeah, that. We'll spark something to sleep. Broad daylight. Have a whole firecracker war like we A&P. One thing I can say is, hey, stay motivated, my guys. Stay motivated. I've been on a 3-year grind. Give you a little backstory. Long story, even longer. I started taking YouTube serious towards the end of January of 2023. Good job giving me back straight car. It's my Lexus. I started taking, and the thing that motivated me was, so I tried, if you already heard it, but I tried 2K, it was 2K23 at the time, 2K23. I was trying to come up off that. In a 3-week span of doing those videos, because I didn't really understand it and grasp it as I should have, I gained 2 subscribers in 3 weeks. A couple of views, it wasn't satisfying. So I stopped after 3 weeks. I started in November, I quit before Christmas. It was like before Thanksgiving, but it led into December, but I quit before Christmas. Me and my homie, cause his favorite team is the Cavs. I was like, F it, let's go to a Cavs game. It was Cavs versus Memphis, so we drove down to Memphis to watch the Cavs. And I got this crazy dunk of Ja Morant. But as soon as he dunked it, the guy in front of me stood up and blocked the view of the dunk. And then that sparked the thing in my mind, like, oh, I need to post this on social media. It's gonna go. And then I said, hey, I might as well start posting the live games I've been to on YouTube Shorts. Cause this is when YouTube Shorts just started coming out. So, fast forward about a month, actually a couple of weeks, maybe a week or two, I got to 50 subscribers. I was like, God dang, 50 subscribers? That's amazing. About a week from there, I'm at 100 subscribers. I'm like, God dang. So now I'm on the road. You know, found some tricks, gained my subscribers up. So in the first 5 months, so from that point, was it 5? So from, I say about January 20, between the 23rd and 26th was when I started. June, I'm gonna say what, June 30th, that's when I had a video go viral. So I had 600 subscribers by June 30th. By the July 30th, between July 30th, I had 1,200 subscribers. So what I did in 5 months, I did in a 6 month total. I stopped focusing on getting subscribers. I wish I didn't. I should have kept doing what I was doing. But I stopped because some of my videos, some of my shorts wasn't getting views just because how I was doing NBA basketball content, and basketball was dying because every round it was dying off. Like when you got to the conference finals, it started dying off. When you got to the NBA finals, it completely died off. I got a little buzz in summer league, but I was like, hey, let me try to get more viral shorts so I can get monetized through the shorts way. Worst decision in my life, try and get monetized off shorts. It's possible, but it is very, very hard. Pause. Grinded, I want to say that's August. So August focus was trying to get monetized off shorts. Like forget the subscribers, let's try to get monetized. I want to say by the time January came, December. When December came, my whole game plan changed, and it was like watch hours is a lot easier to get monetized off of than the YouTube shorts. So I started doing streams and uploading 2K videos. The video was doing all right. It wasn't great. It was all right. So I get like 30 views. Streams get about 15 to 20. But and Memorial Day weekend, I was in the club. I got my partial monetization exception. I was in the club. I applied to be partially monetized. That's when you get you can get super chats and memberships. That's the only thing. You don't get ad revenue. You just get those two. So I got my 3,000 watch hours. I've been had over 500 subscribers. I was at like maybe 1,500 at the time, about 1,500 subscribers. Then literally a month later, probably even less than a month later, probably 3 weeks later, it was in June, I got fully monetized. I got my last 1,000 hours of watch hour in a couple of weeks. So then I applied, and guess what? I'm fully monetized. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then a couple weeks later, I got demonetized. They said I was using unoriginal content, but I didn't have no copyright strikes or nothing. So I went through the appeal process and recorded a video and all that, and did my appeal. Less than 2 or 3 minutes later, They say your appeal has been denied. You have been tampering with your page. Who I need to talk to? Because this is not right. I haven't tampered with my page since y'all demonetized me because y'all said I couldn't. Then I realized I deleted 2 videos the night before. Like, so I got demonetized probably like at 6 a.m. I deleted videos like at 10 p.m. the night before. And I said, dang, that's what they trying to say. I edited my page. Because I guess they was already in their mindset of, we going to demonetize them. And I didn't delete the 2 videos because I knew they wasn't mine. The 2 videos was my 2K clips that I created. Like, they were my highlights from a 2K game, one-on-ones. It was my I Do It For Fun series. They were doing pretty well, but these 2 videos didn't do well. Like, they didn't get promoted. It was like at 2 views, and they didn't really show to nobody. It was like it showed to 5 people. So I deleted it. It's like, y'all not promoting it. I'm not gonna keep it on here and it just be a dead video in the background. So I found a way to actually get in contact with somebody, an actual person instead of AI. It took them about a week, and they came back and said the appeal going up stand. And this is a good thing to know. If your stuff get demonetized the first time, it is a 30-day, it's 21 or 30 days. How long you'll be demonetized, and then you can remonetize after that. If you appeal it and you lose, it's 90 days. And that's crazy. It's like, hey, I feel like I did it wrong. Can y'all do like a little more digging? Like, all right, we did. You get 90 days instead of the 21/30, whichever one it is, I can't remember. So I got my 90 days, took it to the chance, like it's cool. I've been monetized. I already got the requirements. So good thing, I don't have to required to do anything. I just had to do my 90 days, have a good standing. I did clean up my page some. I was like, I don't want them saying any of my stuff on my page is unoriginal, so I deleted a lot of stuff. At that point, I had 1.7 million views. When I deleted a lot of the videos, 1.2 million of the views left because I deleted so much stuff. But, you know, I still got all my 2 million views. It came. But, yeah, got remonetized TSU Homecoming. That was my first video that I uploaded after being monetized. So I got monetized. I was in the club Sunday. It was late Saturday night, early Sunday morning. That's when I got remonetized. When I woke up, I was monetized. I had TSU clips from Friday and Saturday, and I ended up recording on Sunday because we were supposed to go to some little homecoming party on Sunday. No, the homecoming party was on Saturday, and that party was that BS. Went to like 3 different places, but I remonetized. That was my first video up. It was a blessing, and yeah, been in good standing ever since. Have lots of views. I actually had my largest live stream Sunday, this past Sunday. Had 2,000 people join in on my shorts vertical live stream. And that's like a real blessing to have 2,000 people. My previous high it was actually over 2,000, but my previous high was 1,956. When I got to 1,700, I'm like, oh, we close. We might can get to it. When we got to 1,800, I said, yeah, we definitely gonna get to it. 1,900, I said, hey, I started counting down. I didn't count down like one by one. I was like, hey, We 24 away. All right, we 17 away. All right, we 7 away. And then I made that magic number. In 2000, kept the stream going a little bit longer. I'm gonna say about like 10 minutes longer. I think the last total number I seen was 2,030 people. And it's just a real blessing to be able to interact with so many people. I think that live stream, don't be deceived and be like, oh man, I didn't get as many subscribers as people viewing. That's typically how it's gonna go. Most people gonna view and not subscribe. But I did get 12 subscribers off of that live stream. And to be honest, I get more subscribers off live stream than shorts now. And long form videos. And I guess because they can interact with you live. Like, you're there, you're talking. We are seeing you making magic in real time. So I guess just why I'm just getting more off of that than everything. But this thing I'm just talking about the person next to me. I was like, that definitely ain't me. But I enjoyed y'all riding with me on this blog, letting me talk to y'all. If you want to be a YouTuber, go for it, man. Make a video, post it. I got faith in you. But I'm about to end this video, I'm about to pull up, and I'm about to play my music loud. And I'm going to catch y'all next time. Godspeed.